My name is Georgia. I study in Swansea University in the College of Arts and Humanities in the Department of Modern Languages. I did my undergraduate in Welsh at Swansea and now I'm doing a Masters in Professional Translation. I chose to study Professional Translation as my Masters at Swansea because eventually I want to work full-time as a translator. I chose to study Spanish as a beginner's course for my postgraduate degree because I wanted to add a foreign language to my CV apart from Welsh, and it's basically studying the first year of a Spanish degree alongside a master's degree. So it's been a lot of hard work, but I think it'll be worth it in the end. My favourite module so far has probably been my Welsh modules, and I get to ask a lot of questions and learn a lot of new things. I'm planning to be a full-time translator once I've finished my MA, hopefully from English to Welsh. I'm starting my summer internship in Swansea Council. It's going to be 12 weeks long. So I'll be working a full-time job as a translator with the council. Hopefully it's going to prep me to be a full-time translator once I finish the master's degree. So I got my internship with the council because my lecturer has links with the woman who runs the translation unit in Swansea Council. So yeah, it's really useful that the university has got the links with outside organisations. I work in the Students' Union as a Welsh translator part-time, which is great because it gives me the opportunity to use my bachelor's degree and also as practice for my master's degree alongside. As well as that, it's great that I get to work on the campus because it's so much easier than working off the campus, and I think it's great that the Students' Union can offer positions for students to earn money alongside their studies. I really liked studying at Swansea because all of my lecturers were so helpful, and I think in terms of Welsh, all of the lecturers that I've had have been top-notch, and I would recommend that anyone would come to study Welsh at Swansea just because it's so great here. Also, the campus is lovely. The Students' Union makes so much effort to provide for students, and it's close to the beach and it's a beautiful place to study. Dewch i astudio Cymraeg yn Abertawe.